Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about hue shifting with pixel art. So I made this animation for a game jam, which I didn't finish, but I didn't finish the game jam, but I finished the animation. And it's like a player sprite, and it's like you're basically a pen, and here's the animation for it. So something you might notice is that for the shadows and for the lighting is that the the regular color for the pen tip is this lighter red, probably a coral kind of color, and the red for the shadow is darker. And what it is that this color I did is that I picked it, and what I did is that I moved it to the the right side of the coloring. So it went from red, and then I brought it to a pinkish magenta part of the color wheel, and then I made it darker. And what this does is that it makes your coloring for the pixel art, or really just any art in general, is that it makes it more appealing. And because if you did, say for example, this color, but you just darkened it, is that it looks more bland, if that makes sense. Which there's nothing wrong with this, but with hue shifting, it can allow for your artwork to look really just more livelier and more colorful. But yeah, just doing shifting the lighting or the darkness for just one color, it just kind of muddies it, if that makes sense. So anyways, similar with the lighting portion is that with the tip is I took this red and then I moved to the left of the color wheel, or just really if you want to go with the lighter colors, you just basically want to go warmer, but if you're going for darker colors, you want to go for cooler colors. And basically when you're doing this is that this looks really pretty, but if you do it and just use the same color and do this, it's alright, but still. So this character is really minimalistic. It's 16 by 16, and it's clearly, it doesn't have a lot of detail, but something to point out is the shading really gives it some character. And that's one of the main things I focused on once I finished drawing the sprite and coloring it. And it just looks very, it just looks better. With the lighter, if you want to lighten the character, you basically just go to a warmer color and you make it lighter. Here, let me give you an example. So say for example I have this blue, but I want to make it a lighter color. What I want to do is I want to shift it to a more greenish blue, so go to the warmer side and do this. Now if I want to make it darker, well, I want to make this a little bit more there. Okay, and for the darker version of it, I'm going to want to darken, bring it down a little bit, and then move it to an indigo bluish purple. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope y'all have a good Sunday, and God bless, and adios.